Nginx is like the superhero of web servers. It's fast, efficient, and super resourceful. It's especially popular with WordPress sites, and here's why. With Nginx, you will get seamless load balancing, which allows you to effortlessly handle traffic spikes, so your site stays cool under pressure. Smooth multi-connections that help you to manage thousands of connections all at once and accelerate your site with built-in caching, meaning faster load times and happy visitors. So if you are ready to set your site up with Nginx on FlyWP, let's get rolling. First up, head over to app.flywp.com and log into your dashboard. Now, choose the server where you want to create your new site. After that, look for that magical Create New Site button here. Go ahead and give it a click, and let's get started. Now, you will see some options for the type of site you want to create. Here you see Instance Site, Standard Site, WordPress Multi-Site, and Install from a Git repository. For this video, we are going with the Instance Site option. Let me tell you why Instance Sites are awesome. Instance Sites in FlyWP lets you create a WordPress site in just one click. It's perfect for testing new themes or plugins without touching your live site. This way you can experiment without risks and deploy only when you are ready. Now click on it. On the next screen, keep the default settings as they are and click Next button. Now you will choose your server stack. Select Nginx to enable all the cool features it offers. You'll also pick your preferred PHP version, whichever suits your needs, then hit Next again. Now, enter your site title and the credentials you want to use for logging into your site. Once you are done, click the magic button Create Site. Yes, now we are in the final countdown. Just hang on for a bit. Your new instance site will be ready in a few minutes. We are making sure everything is set up perfectly for you. That's it. You have just created an instance site with FlyWP in a few easy steps. Now, you can play around with new themes or plugins all in a safe and separate environment. Thanks for joining us on this quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates.